Woo, everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trading. Has come to you live from Asia, guys. It's early in the morning here in Asia. It's 5 a.m. and the OG is up. We're going to be talking about good or bad. What's going to happen this weekend in the U.S. Out there. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Out there, go back and watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Go back and yeah, watch. And don't forget to subscribe, YB, and show some love like a madman out there. Show some love like a madman out there. So, we got to talk. Right now, we're seeing that the last 36 hours, we're seeing that the markets have been going crazy out there. You know, a lot of this has to do with the back of the fact that, you know, UK came to the table. A lot of tariff talks have come to conclusion. Now, the big elephant in the room is that in this weekend, the U.S. is going to Switzerland to talk to China about tariffs. So everyone's kind of taking a wait-and-see attitude what's going on. But I think there's going to be a cooling off this weekend until we get some final indication of what is going on with China. So right now we can see that the total market cap is at 3.26 trillion. It's only up 1%. Just below 1%. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance at 62. Fear and greed is at 70 right now, so that is pretty good. We're not in the altcoin season. We're still in Bitcoin season, okay? So altcoin season is not here. Absolutely not here. Let's take a look at that. So we take a look at the index right now. We're still seeing that where altcoin season is not here. It's going to happen pretty soon. I'm not too concerned about that. So, but I think it's going to be one heck of a altcoin season. So we can see that the biggest performer right now has been Ethereum. Ethereum is up like 27% in 7 days, up 7% again today, looking pretty good. XRP up right now, it's at 235. It did hit a high of 242. BNB is up as well, 256 at 639. Solana has come back. It's now at $172. That's pretty good, and it's up 16%. Doge is also doing pretty good this week as well. It's up 13%. So looking pretty good. Cardano is looking good as well. Keep in mind that yesterday Solana did flip BNB in terms of market cap, but and went to number 5, but it's back down again. That's kind of what's going on. But take a look at the heat map. Yeah, everything's still positive, but I'm expecting we could see a pullback this weekend, or at least a cooling off. Should be a cooling off out there. XRP price right now, 235. We did hit a high of 242. That is good. We pulled back a little bit, some profit taking to be expected, to absolutely be expected out there. Yeah, nothing big news wise. We're going to jump into some stuff in a second. Doge at 20 cents, and I told you we'd get there, guys. We get there. I think Doge is going to break out. I think Doge could just keep break out. We did see it go up to 21.14, so it come down slightly. Not too shabby out there. Now, Donald Trump expects 80% tariff on China. Seems right up there. Seems right. So I think right now $100 to $142, 142%. But I think we're going to see 80%. So I'm expecting a bit of a cooling off. DXY kind of going down, kind of going sideways. Now, this is pretty cool, right? We had this huge pump. We're well above the $100,000 level, which is now a support. So let me change that to green. So this is our new support. 100K is now a new support. We have some good resistance at 104,000. Around about there is some resistance level. We've seen that before. So hopefully we'll blast past that. I think for the most part, I think we'll be range bound in this area for Bitcoin for some time. New breaking: American fast food chain Steak and Shake announces that it was accepting payments in Bitcoin. So that's pretty good. I also think that maybe in the future Vietnam will start to accept payments in Bitcoin and crypto too. Could be coming out there. XRP looking pretty good. Had a nice breakout. We did hit a high of $2.42 for $2.43, looking pretty good. Performing the beginnings of a bull flag out there. We could see a nice pump to the upside, so that is pretty good out there. Doge also looking good. Pretty similar pattern, right? yeah, kind of everyone's has the same kind of pattern on the daily to be expected. So basically all the cryptos are kind of following what Bitcoin is doing to be expected out there. So if you're following XRP, which I am, we can see that we are now in phase 6 of the XRP rise to dominance. We got the RLUSD that was released. We got Trump's inauguration. Gary Debbie Downer leaves SEC. XRP strategic reserve. Ripple case ends. Altcoin season starts. We're not there yet. Ripple name big bank partnership, and XRP ETF. Okay, yeah, I would be holding. I'm holding, guys. If you like this content, somewhere smash the likes like crazy. I appreciate it. Also, Ripple and SEC finally settled an agreement, so it's done. It's done. It's done. 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 Like a donut. Good news out there. And please tell me you're still holding. Things are positive, guys. We're here. We saw a huge pump, right? I think we're going to see another huge pump, and that could take us up to $5. I think $5 is incoming, guys. Breaking the launch of Turtle Capital XRP ETF finally set for Wednesday, March 21st. So we could have a first launch coming for ETF on May 21st. So that's bullish out there. Looks like BlackRock just buys more Bitcoin, so that's positive, right? Guys, I'm partnering with BTCC. Go down there, check out my link. I appreciate it. And remember, you can get up to $10,000 in terms of USD cash back. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Appreciate it. Also, listen to this. Trump, you better go out and buy stocks. Now, let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. So listen to this. Listen to this. Let me turn up the volume. I think it's pretty cool. This is also another reason why crypto's pumping.
You better go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. This is going to be numbers that nobody's ever seen before. That's a very important element of all of this. You know, if we get that, if you don't, and the Democrats are fighting it only because they want to fight. They have Trump derangement syndrome. You know, if it was somebody else, they wouldn't fight. If you had a normal person and some stiff sitting behind you, they'd be fine. But they have Trump derangement syndrome. You know, Senator Schumer's become a Palestinian. Welcome. I don't know when they're going to give him the ceremony, whatever the ceremony may be. It's terrible what's happened to the Democrats. So very, very important element of everything, of what we're doing, unrelated to today, but related in the sense that we'll do, if that passes, we'll do even more business with the UK. We'll have so much.
There, buy more stocks. And that's kind of bled over to the crypto markets. That's why people buy more and more and more. Justin, President Trump says Fed Chair Jerome Powell won't cut rates because he doesn't love me. I thought this was kind of cute.
Chairman of the Fed, Jerome, if he would lower interest rates like China did, like I think UK did, but like numerous other countries have done, it's like jet fuel. It'd be great. But he doesn't want to do it. I think he doesn't want to do it. Probably he's not in love with me. I think that's right. It's sort of a crazy reason, but that's the way life is. Anybody in his position would be learning. It would be like jet fuel. But even without that, we're doing well.
Yeah, I think if we had that rate cut, crypto would be pumping. We'd probably be at 110,000 right now for Bitcoin. What do you guys think? 110,000 if we get rate cuts? Tell me what you think. I appreciate it. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me right here, right now on my Twitter. And let's see. You can see that Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Bitcoin is pumping. Remember, there could be a big sell-off in June, guys, because typically June is sell-off, right? You see, minus 0.5%, right? Get ready for a big sell-off. Big sell-off happening in June. Typical. We're seeing right now that overall, we're seeing a big freaking short squeeze happening. So that's helping. That's absolutely helping, guys. So that's kind of like all I got. Go follow me everywhere. I appreciate it. Much love out there. It's 5 a.m. I'm tired. OG needs to get some sleep.